Hello friends, in this video you will learn about connect nodes at same level program. Our task is given a binary tree, connect the nodes that are at same level. You will be given an additional next write pointer for the same. Initially all the next write pointers point to garbage values. Your function should set those pointers to point next write for each node. See this binary tree we need to make like this. 10 next write is null. 3 next write is 5. 5 next write is null. Like this. Every level needs to connect and end of the that level point to null. Like this. Input output I will explain with example. Our task is just complete the function connect. Here is the example input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case we take the string. That string represents a tree, binary tree. See 312 like this. 3 left node is 1 data, right node data is 2 like this. Output, see this output. First the output like this. 3 prints the next null, first level data. Then 1 2 is 1 and 2 next to null like this. Level by level elements is connected and printed with the help of next write pointer. This 132 is in order. See this in order because left, root, right 132. That is the 132. To solve this task, here is our code. See, connect is the function. P pointing root 1. Take this first test case to get the idea about this code. P is pointing 3. To solve this task, using Q with pair node star comma int. Node star stores the this node address and int is the this level that node in the level. Int says int stores. So Q is a variable. Initially level is 0. S is used for previous details. Initially that is null. Q dot push make pair p comma level. P is the root. This 3 node address and level is 0. That is pushed into the queue now. Check this while loop. Queue empty or not? Not empty because queue having the data. Pair node star int t. T is the variable to take the details of queue friend. In the queue friend is the 3. This t get the all the details of 3 node details. 3 node. Then t second is the 0. 0 not equal to level is 0. 0 not equal to 0 is false. Else block execute. S not equal to null. But S is null now. So this block also not execute. Check this. S equal to T first. T first is S pointing 3 node now. Check this. If T first left not null. Yes. T first this node left is not null because it's having one data, one node details. Then this block execute q dot push make pair t first left comma t dot second plus 1. This node address and that level node level incremented by 1 because this node is in the level 1 but that says t second plus 1. Then check this if block if condition t dot first right. This node right also not null. It is true. Then this block execute. Q dot push make pair t first right. This node address and t dot second plus 1. Initial t second is 0 plus 1 is 1. This node in the level 1. Then qpop. This node details popped out. Check this while condition. Q empty or not. It is not empty because it's having one node details, two node details. Then once again, T get the Q friend. In the Q friend, 1 is there. Then T gets the one node details. T second is 1. 1 not equal to 0 is true. It is, yes, true. Then S next write equal to null. S next write is S pointing 3. 3 next write is null. So this is pointed to null now. Then level equal to T second. Level is 1 now. Then S equal to T first. S pointing 1. Check this. If T first left not null, yes, it is false because this node left is null. This block not execute. Check this if block. If condition. T first right not null. This right also not null. This is null. So this is false if block. Then this block not execute. Q dot pop. This node popped out. Check this while loop. Q empty or not? Not empty because still Q having the two node details. This node details. Then T equal to Q friend. T gets the two node details. T second is 1. 1 not equal to 1. 1 not equal to 1 is false. Else block execute. In this, if S not equal to null, yes, S is not null because S pointing 1. S next write equal to T first. T first is 2. Then S next write is pointing 2 now. Then check. S equal to T first. S is pointing 2 now. Then if T first left not null, thus 2 node left is null. This is not null. This is false. This if block not execute. T first right not null because this node right also null. This block not execute. Q pop. This node details popped out. Q is empty now. Q not empty. It is false. While loop stops execution. S next write equal to null. This next is null now. This is completed. All next writes are connected with this code. Then check our code is right or not by compile test. See, expected output, our output is same. Then submit. Correct answer with the execution time 0.29. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.